Welcome to Chinmay's Arts and Flavor. Deepavali festival is here and we are looking for diyas. Today I have done diyas with a unique and new style. This is best out of waste style. So today we have made diyas out of coconut shells. Let us see how to make diyas out of coconut shells. Yes, today we are using coconut shells to make beautiful diyas for Deepavali festival. I have taken literally the very tiny and small ones here, you can see, because I am going to fill paraffin in this one so we can make a beautiful diyas out of this. First, we have taken out the rind from the inside of these shells, and then now I'm going to clean the outer surface also. With the help of hexablade and the sandpaper, we will just remove all the husk it is present in the outer surface and make the surface really very nice and smooth so that we can paint on this one. In the same way we have done all these. The outer surface you can see is very smooth and we have removed all the husk from it. So, and now I will wipe it dry with the cloth and then keep it ready for the painting. The coconut shell diyas are almost ready now. Now we are going to paint on these diyas. Before we paint, I have put the base on these diyas because I want them to stand firmly. The base is made up of corn flour and Fevicol. 2 teaspoons of corn flour and 1 teaspoon of Fevicol is mixed together and made the clay dough. This clay dough is dried and it is attached to the base of the coconut shell so that it can stand firm on its own. And now I am going to paint all these diyas. I have chosen red and green acrylic colors to paint these diyas, and I am going to use I'm not going to use any medium on it, so the paint will be thick and easy for me to apply on these shells. I am using red color. I am also going to paint the base also, so it looks one piece. Have to put 2 coats. Let the first coat dry and then I am going to use the second coat on it. Coloring the diyas is almost over now. I have used 1 coat of the color. When it is dried, I am going to use the second coat. They are looking so beautiful already. Let them dry for some time and then I am going to put another coat on it. Diyas are painted 2 coatings and they are almost ready now. They are dry. Now we are going to put the thread. I am going to use this thread and then the Fevicol to stick the thread into the middle of the diyas. I am going to just put some glue and then stick the thread so that it stays straight before I fill these with paraffin. I'm going to use paraffin in these diyas because these coconut shells will not get hot. They are not the carriers of the heat. So the paraffin we have filled inside will stay cool and it burns for longer time. So I'm going to fix the threads in these diyas. Let these threads stand erect. After they dry, they'll be erect. So I'm going to use the glue and then the thread. So they stay. Let them dry. And then after that, I'm going to fill the paraffin in it. All the diyas are ready to be filled with paraffin or the wax. I am going to use the wax which is available in the market. I have brought it from online and I am going to use the same wax. This is the wax available in the market, the paraffin. So I am going to use this paraffin to fill the candles. I am going to use the double boiler method to make the paraffin liquid. So I have taken one big pan and water in it. Let the water boil and I have taken another pan and I have put the solid form of paraffin in it. So now when the water boils, this paraffin will get into liquefied and then we can fill the diyas very easily. The paraffin is in liquid state now and I have not used any colors or I have not beaten the wax. I am using the wax as it is. So now I am going to pour the paraffin into these diyas. The wax paraffin is filled inside and it is almost dry now and the diyas are ready to use. Chinmayi wishes you happy and safe and eco-friendly Deepavali. Thank you.